Hello everyone, welcome to online lecture series on functions of several variables. This is lecture number 16. In this lecture, I will explain very important concept, applications of partial differentiation. Okay? Here, by using partial differentiation, we can find out maximum and minimum values of the function. Okay? So, maximum and minimum of functions of two variables. Here, first point, step 1, find dou f by dou x, comma, dou f by dou y and equate each to 0. That means, dou f by dou x is equal to 0, dou f by dou y equal to 0. Solve these equations for x and y. Okay? Full stop. Let point A1 comma B1 comma A2 comma B2 comma A3 comma B3 so on be the pairs of values. Here solve these equations in step 1. We get so many points. Okay. So that are the pairs of values. Okay. Right. Next step 2. Find L. L equal to dou square f by dou x square, comma M equal to dou square f by dou x dou y, comma N equal to dou square f by dou y square. For each pair of values obtained in step 1. Step 1 means this is step 1. Okay. Now next third point. Third point have 4 points. Now first point, if Ln minus m square greater than 0 and L less than 0 at A1 comma B1, then A1 comma B1 is a point of maximum and f of A1 comma B1 is maximum value. Here condition Ln minus m square greater than 0 and less than Ln minus m square greater than 0 and L less than 0. Here we have to find out maximum value. Okay. Next second point. If Ln minus m square greater than 0 and L greater than 0 at A1 comma B1, then A1 comma B1 is a point of minimum and f of A1 comma B1 is minimum value. Okay. Here very important points, these 2 points, Ln minus m square greater than 0 and L less than 0. We have to find out here maximum value. Ln minus m square greater than 0 and L greater than 0 at A1 comma B1. Here we have to find out minimum value. Okay? Right. Next, third point. If Ln minus m square less than 0 at A1 comma B1, then f of A1 comma B1 is not an extreme value. That is, there is neither maximum nor minimum. There is neither maximum nor minimum at A1 comma B1. This condition is Ln minus m square less than 0. Here neither maximum nor minimum. Okay. In this case, A1 comma B1 is a saddle point. Okay. Neither maximum nor minimum. In this case, there is a saddle point. Okay. Right. Next, fourth point. If Ln minus m square is equal to 0 at A1 comma B1, no conclusion can be drawn about maximum or minimum. Okay, and needs further investigations. Okay, right. Similarly, examine the other pair of values A2 comma B2 and A3 comma B3 and so on, one by one. Okay, one by one. Okay, na? Right. Next, I will start problems. Okay. Okay. Next, problem number 1. Find the maximum and minimum values of f of x comma y is equal to x cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square minus 3y square plus 4. Now the solution is given that f of x comma y is equal to x cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square minus 3y square plus 4. Okay, right. Now for maximum minimum, first we have to find out partial derivative of f with respect to x. That means dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y. Okay, right. Differentiating partially with respect to x, then dou f by dou x is equal to, what is the derivative of x cube with respect to x? 3x square minus, here 3y square constant plus 3y square constant. So what is the derivative of x with respect to x? 1 minus, so what is the derivative of, here 3 constant, x square derivative minus 3 into 2x minus 3 constant, y square also constant with respect to x. So total 3y square derivative 0 plus 4 also constant 0. Okay, right? Now dou f by dou x is equal to 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x. Okay. Next, differentiating partially with respect to y, then dou f by dou y is equal to, dou f by dou y is equal to, with respect to y, what is the derivative of x cube? 0 plus, here 3x constant, what is the derivative of y square? 2y plus minus, what is the derivative of 3x square with respect to y? 0 minus 3 into, what is the derivative of y square with respect to y? 2y. So 3 into 2y plus constant derivative 0. Okay. Now finally dou f by dou y is equal to 6xy minus 6y. Okay, right. Here this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3. Okay, right. For maximum minimum, for maximum or minimum dou f by dou x is equal to 0, comma dou f by dou y is equal to 0. Okay, right. So what is the dou f by dou x? This one. Then 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x is equal to 0, comma 6xy minus 6y equal to 0. Okay, so this is equation 4, this is equation number 5. Now solve first 5, then what is 5? 5 implies 6xy minus 6y is equal to 0. Here we have to take common 6y, x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so here y equal to 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so y equal to 0, comma x equal to 1. Okay, so here two values, y 0, comma x 1. Okay, now substitute, first substitute y 0. Now substitute y 0 in equation 4. First y equal to 0. First we have to substitute y0 in 4. Then 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x equal to 0. So put y equal to 0. Then 3x square plus 3 into y0 whole square minus 6x equal to 0. Then 3x square minus 6x equal to 0. Okay, right. So here what is the value of dou f by dou x? Dou f by dou x equal to 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x. What is the value of dou f by dou y? Dou f by dou 6xy minus 6y. Okay, right. This is the equation number 2. This is the equation number 3. Right. Now 3x, we have to take come 3x, x minus 2. X minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, 3x into x, 3x square minus 6x. Then 3x equal to 0, comma x minus 2 equal to 0. Then x equal to 0, comma x equal to 2. Here, what are the points? Put y equal to 0, 0, then x equal to 0. Put y equal to 0, then x equal to 2. So, y equal to 0, then x 0. Right. So, point is, therefore point is 0, comma 0. Here, y 0, then x 2. Here, point 2, comma 0. Okay, here 2 points. Okay, next. Next point, x equal to 1. X equal to 1. In equation number 4, then 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x equal to 0. Put x equal to 1. 3 into 1 whole square, 3y square minus 6 into 1 equal to 0. Okay. 3 plus 3y square minus 6 equal to 0. So 3y square minus 3 equal to 0. Here we have to take 3, common term 3, then y square minus 1 equal to 0. So y square minus 1 equal to 0. So y square equal to 1. So y equal to plus or minus 1. Okay. Now here substitute y equal to plus 1, that implies here substitute x equal to 1, then y 1. So point is 1, comma 1. Next, x equal to minus 1, then x equal to 1, substitute x equal to 1, that implies y equal to minus 1. So point is 1, comma minus 1. Okay. Here totally 4 points, 0, comma 0, 2, comma 0, 1, comma 1, 1, comma minus 1. Okay now, right. So here verify which is the maximum point or minimum point. Now therefore points are 0, comma 0, 2, comma 0, 1, comma 1, 1, comma minus 1. Okay. Now we have to find out first L. What is L? L equal to dou square f by dou x square. So that equal to dou by dou x of dou f by dou x. Okay, right. So that equal to dou by dou x of, what is the value of dou f by dou x? Dou f by dou x, this one, 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x. Okay, right. Finally, L equal to dou square f by dou x square is equal to, with respect to x, 3 constant, x square derivative 2x. Okay. Next, here with respect to x, 3y square constant is 0, minus 6 constant, x derivative 1. Now finally, L equal to dou square f by dou x square is equal to 6x minus 6. So this is L. Okay. Next one, M equal to dou square f by dou x dou y. That equal to dou by dou x of dou f by dou y. Okay, right. So dou by dou x of dou f by dou y. So that equal to M equal to dou square f by dou square f by dou x dou y is equal to dou by dou x of, what is the value of dou f by dou y with respect to y? 6x y minus 6y. Okay. Now M equal to dou square f by dou x dou y is equal to, with respect to x, 6y constant. With respect to x, so 6y constant, x derivative 1 minus 6 into y derivative 0. With respect to x, y derivative 0. Okay, right. Here 6y constant, x derivative 1 minus 6 constant, with respect to x, y derivative 0. Now finally M is equal to dou square f by dou x dou y is equal to 6y. Okay. Next one, N dou square f by dou y square is equal to N. Next, dou by dou y of dou f by dou y. Okay, so that equal to M equal to dou square f by dou y square is equal to dou by dou y of, what is the value of dou f by dou y? This one, 6xy minus 6y. Okay, right. Now that equal to M equal to dou square f by dou y square is equal to, with respect to y, here 6x constant, y derivative 1 minus 6 constant, with respect to y derivative 1. Now finally N equal to dou square f by dou y square is equal to 6x minus 6. Here remember that L value this one. Next, M value is, N value is this one. Okay. Next, now we have to find out, it is Ln minus M square. Ln minus M square. What is L? 6x minus 6. Ln, what is Ln? 6x minus 6 minus what is m? M is 6y whole square. So Ln minus m square is equal to 6x minus 6 whole square minus 36y square, comma what is L? L equal to 6x minus 6. Okay, right. Now here first point at 0 comma 0. At 0 comma 0. What is Ln minus m square? Ln minus m square. Now first 0 comma 0. What is Ln minus m square? Ln minus m square equal to 6 into 0. 6 into 0 minus 6 whole square minus 36 into 0 whole square. So that equal to 0 minus 6 whole square 36. This is 0 whole square. So finally Ln minus m square is equal to 36. This is greater than 0. Okay, next. What is L? L equal to 6 into x value 0. X value 0 minus 6. So L equal to minus 6. This is less than 0. Okay. So finally here therefore 0 comma 0. Here Ln minus m square greater than 0 and L less than 0. Therefore 0 comma 0 is a point of maximum. A point of maximum. Therefore maximum value is f of x comma y is equal to x cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square minus 3y square plus 4. Then f of 0 comma 0 is equal to 0 whole cube plus 3 into 0 y square ಕೂಡ 0 y 0 minus 3 into 0 square minus 3 into 0 square plus 4. Now finally f of 0 comma 0 is equal to 4. Therefore maximum value is 4. Okay, now next point at 2 comma 0, second point 2 comma 0. Okay, right. What is Ln minus m square? Ln minus m square is equal to Ln minus m square is equal to Ln minus m square. This is x. What is x? X 2. So 6 into 2 minus 6 whole square minus 36. What is y? What is y? Y 0. So 0 whole square. This is 0 whole square. 6 into 2, 12. 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6, 6. So that is equal to 36. 12 minus 6 whole square into 36. So this is greater than 0. This is greater than 0. Next, what is L? What is L? X, this is L. X2. So 6 into 2 minus 6. So 6 into 2, 12. 12 minus 6, 6. So 6, this is greater than 0. So here Ln minus m square greater than 0, comma L also greater than 0. So therefore Ln minus m square greater than 0 and L also greater than 0. Therefore 2 comma 0 is a point of minimum. Is a point of minimum. Now we have to find out minimum value. Okay, right. What is Ln minus m square? What is Ln minus m square? 6x minus 6 whole square minus 36 y square. What is L? 6x minus 6. Okay? Right. 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 Therefore, minimum value is, so what is f of x comma y is equal to x cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square minus 3y square plus 4. So f of 2 comma 0, 2 whole cube plus 3 into 2, this one 0 whole square minus 3 into 2 whole square minus 3 into this one 0, y 0 plus 4, right? Now finally 8, this one 0 minus 2 square 4, 4 into 3 12, this one 0 plus 4. Finally 8 plus 4 12. So finally this one cancel. So f of 2 comma 0 is equal to 0. So minimum value is 0. Maximum value is 4. Next to remaining 2 points. Next points. At 1 comma 1. What is Ln minus m square? Ln minus m square. Here substitute 1. 6 into 1 minus 6 whole square minus 36 1 whole square. So that equal to Ln minus m square is equal to 6 minus 6 0. So finally minus 36. This is less than 0. Okay. So here there is no maximum, neither maximum nor minimum here. Next also at 1 comma minus 1. What is Ln minus m square? What is Ln minus m square? Is equal to 6 into x1 minus 6 whole square minus 36 minus 1 whole square. So finally Ln minus m square is equal to 6 minus 6 0 minus 36 here also 0. Here 1 comma point 1 comma 1 here Ln minus m square less than 0. Here also 1 comma minus 1 Ln minus m square also less than 0. So here finally f of 1 comma plus or minus 1 is neither maximum nor minimum values. Okay, neither maximum nor minimum. Okay, no? Right. This is the first problem of maximum and minimum. Okay, right. Thank you.